All right, it's time to learn about one of our last 3D shapes, and that is a prism. Prisms are objects that are long and are made up of identical sides. For example, this is a prism. It has long sides, and then the two ends are identical. So on this side it's a triangle, and on this side it's a triangle. That's a prism. This is a triangular prism because it is made up of triangles on the end. Because it is made up of triangles, it has 3 sides to it. 3 sides that go around, plus the 2 ends, making it 5 sides in total. So it's got 1, 2, and the bottom 3, and then the 2 triangles on the ends, 4, 5. And it comes to a point. Or comes to a top edge. You can also have a rectangular prism. Alright? It's a rectangular prism because it's made up of all of these rectangles on the sides, and its base shape is a square. A square. So the 2 ends are identical. 1, 2, they're squares. And then it's got all these flat sides. So the 2 features that make a prism are that the 2 ends are the same shape. So on this one, it's a triangle on this end and a triangle on this side. Those are the same shape. So this is a prism. And this one is a square on this side and a square on this side. So it is a prism. And the other feature that makes it a prism is that it's made up of flat sides. So unlike a cylinder, you might think, well, my cylinder has a circle on this side and a circle on this side. So is it a prism? But it's not, because it has a curved side. All the way around, it's curved. Where if we look at our prisms, they're flat. They have a flat side, flat side, flat sides. All right, so it's the same shape on either end and flat sides. That's what makes it a prism. So your job for math today is to build our 2 prisms. We have a rectangular prism and a triangular prism. So you're going to grab your math book. You're going to find those 2 sheets. The rectangular prism looks like this. Remember, you're going to cut it up, cutting around all of the dotted lines and the straight lines down here, coloring it, folding it up, gluing it together. And our net for a triangular prism is this one. It's got 2 triangles on the ends, and then the long rectangles in the middle, making it a triangular prism. Once those are complete, you're going to find the page that says prism at the top. It will be the next sheet, this one, prism. Again, it is showing you examples of prisms over here and ones that are not. Then your job is to circle the ones that are prisms. So keeping in mind, are the 2 sides made up of the same shape? And are they all made up of flat sides? Flat sides, that's how you can tell if it's a prism. Hope you enjoyed this math lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.